Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't sign in to your account error on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Accounts, click Family, and Other Users. Click Add Account. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Type username and password with security questions, password. Click Next. Click Change Account Type. Select Administrator, click OK. Log off and log in with newly created new user. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.